Hi everyone. Today I'm going to briefly explain the common issues in RCM or revenue cycle management in UAE healthcare and how to fix them. The top 5 issues are data errors, coding issues, regulatory complexity, denial management, and outdated process. Let's look at each one briefly. First one, incomplete or incorrect patient information. Errors during patient registration and data entry frequently cause claim denials and payment delays. Second one, non-compliant or incorrect medical coding. Coding mistakes and outdated codes result in rejected claims and reduced revenue. Third one, regulatory and complaints challenges. UAE's mixed international and local requirements change regularly, which can overwhelm teams and risk non-compliance. Next one, poor denial management. Many organizations lack effective denial tracking or analytics, leading to repeated mistakes and delayed revenue. Fifth one, manual or outdated RCM process. Manual workflows increase errors, slow claim processing, and hinder timely collections. Now we can see the effective solutions for UAE healthcare providers. Let's look each one briefly. Automate data entry and claim processing. Implement AI-powered tools that automatically check patient insurance eligibility and benefits in real time. This prevents denials related to coverage issues before services are rendered. Establish strict protocols for collecting and verifying accurate patient demographic and insurance details during registration. Use automated proofs in EHR systems to ensure all necessary information is captured. Regular coding audits and training. Utilize AI-powered coding tools, conduct staff training, and audit for complaints to reduce coding denials. Stay updated on regulatory changes. Allocate resources for ongoing training and use complaint software to keep up with changing UAE and global healthcare rules. Improve prior authorization workflows. Streamline the prior authorization process, track requests, and link them directly to patient encounters to avoid denials for unauthorized services. Proactive denial management. Use centralized platforms with denial analytics and auto resubmission features to track and address denial patterns proactively. In summary, addressing these 5 challenges through automation, training, and complaints monitoring can greatly improve efficiency and cash flow in UAE healthcare organizations. Thank you.